Hey guys, it's Kristen from A Mindful Mom, where I get into the kitchen and share with you easy family-approved recipes. Today I'm teaching you my secrets for perfect homemade rotisserie chicken. If you love rotisserie chickens from the store, but maybe aren't so pleased at what you find inside of those rotisserie chickens, like MSG and corn syrup or gluten, this recipe is for you. You can easily make a rotisserie chicken at home that tastes just as good, if not better, than what you find at the store, and it's super affordable too. So my first secret to the best rotisserie chicken is the rub. It's all about the flavor. And we're gonna pull together some basic pantry staples to make the most perfect rub. In a bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, a tablespoon of garlic powder, paprika, 1 teaspoon of thyme, a dash of cayenne pepper, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Mix that until well combined. For your chicken, you want to use between a 3 and 4 pound chicken, and make sure that the innards have been cleaned out and removed, and that you pat your chicken dry. You want to brush your chicken evenly with olive oil, canola oil, or melted butter. Sprinkle about half of the rub evenly over your chicken. Use your hands to rub the rub in the chicken and brush off any excess. Flip your chicken over and repeat. The second secret to the most perfect rotisserie chicken is all about how you cook this chicken. We're gonna cook it low and slow. We're also gonna cook it breast side down. As the chicken cooks and the fat renders, all that juice and fat are going to distribute into the breast meat, making it super moist and delicious. Pour 1 cup of water into a roasting pan. Fit with a rack, and then place your chicken breast side down on the roasting rack. Place into an oven that's been preheated to 300 degrees and roast until your chicken reaches about 160 degrees in the thickest part, which just means that you can insert a digital thermometer into the thigh of the chicken, and it will read between 159 and 162 degrees. When your chicken has reached this temperature, remove from the oven, and we're gonna tent with foil. This is gonna let your chicken get up to that 165 degrees, which is when poultry is safe to eat. And it's going to let those juices redistribute through the bird, and making it super juicy and flavorful. Once your chicken has rested, you can cut this up and serve it for a perfectly delicious Sunday dinner, or you can let it cool and shred the meat and use just as you would for any recipe that calls for a rotisserie chicken. For this full recipe on homemade rotisserie chicken and more family-approved recipes, be sure to visit amindfulmom.com.